Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, and we're working on going up the stairs. We had tried going up the stairs in a previous video inside, and we had some challenges. I think we might have some challenges now because she wants to stay outside, but let's try it. Alexis, let's go upstairs, okay? Yeah, we're going upstairs. We're not going by, we're going up the stairs. So what I like is to have kids try to hold on. She's better with her left hand, so we're gonna try to have her hold on with her left. And one of the things you can see is that when she pushes, she tends to push back with extension. And that makes it likely that the person behind her is going to fall. So it's really important to have her lean forward. Can you put that foot up there for me, please? Alexis, I see there's so many things here. Hand on, the step up, Nice, we're gonna lean forward and come up. Go, Alexis. Other foot too. Go, Alexis, let's go. All right, Alexis, we're gonna step forward and lean forward. Here we go. Step forward and lean forward. That lean forward is critical for the safety of her and the person helping her. No, she's really just too heavy to carry up the stairs now. So if you can find a way to get her to help and it be safe, it makes your back happier and her legs stronger. Lean forward. So I'm holding really tight to her belly, leaning her forward over each step and helping her keep her hand on the step, on the railing as we go up. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.